Hello everyone, and welcome to the Solid State Watch. I'm Shannon Davis, the web editor for Solid State Technology, here to bring you the top headlines we've been tracking from January 31st through February 6, 2014. Let's take a look. In a merger that will bring together two key suppliers in the semiconductor industry, Entegris and ATMI this week announced Entegris will acquire ATMI for approximately $1.15 billion US, or approximately $850 million net of cash acquired, including the net cash proceeds from the sale of ATMI's life sciences business of $170 million. The companies anticipate closing the transaction in the second quarter of 2014. Using electrons more like photons could provide the foundation for a new type of electronic device that would capitalize on the ability of graphene to carry electrons with almost no resistance, even at room temperature, a property known as ballistic transport. Research reported this week shows that the electrical resistance of nanoribbons of epitaxial graphene changes in discrete steps following quantum mechanical principles. The research shows that the graphene nanoribbons act more like optical waveguides or quantum dots, allowing electrons to flow smoothly along the edges of the material. In ordinary conductors such as copper, resistance increases in proportion to the length, as electrons encounter more and more impurities while moving through the conductor. Intel Corporation announced the election of 5 new corporate vice presidents. Aisha Evans, Susan Miller, Stephen Rogers, Neil Tunmore, and Wen-Han Wang were all voted in by Intel's current board of directors this week. Ms. Evans joined Intel in 2006, while the rest of the new corporate vice presidents have been a part of the semiconductor chip giant in some capacity for 10 years or more. The worldwide reclaim wafer market is estimated at $460 million US in 2013 and is forecast to reach $493 million by 2015, according to SEMI. Both revenues and numbers of wafers reclaimed grew at 14% in 2013, with 300mm wafers accounting for 72% of the market by revenue and representing 48% of actual wafers reclaimed in 2013. In spite of the strong unit growth last year, reclaimed suppliers faced a number of issues, including maintaining the current balance between supply and demand, availability of prime test wafers, and funding advanced reclamation capacity, including 400mm capability in the face of a depressed pricing environment. According to SEMI, Japan remains the largest reclaim market in terms of numbers of wafers because of the installed fab base and prominent position of the reclaim companies there. However, Taiwan, driven by its foundries and dominance in the 300mm processing, surpassed Japan in terms of revenue in 2013. For more industry headlines during the week, be sure to follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. For Solid State Technology Magazine, I'm Shannon Davis. Thanks for watching and see you next week.